Alright, what's up guys? So last year I was using my Honda lawnmower and it only lasted one season and the self-propelled was not too good the next year. So I gave that to my brother because he bought a house, so he needed a lawnmower to mow his lawn. I told him if he fixes the self-propelled on it, he can have it. So I gave it to him and I replaced it with this Toro commercial lawnmower. Kawasaki engine, 179cc. This commercial lawnmower has sturdy wheels and the self-propelled is really fast. It has 3 different speeds, and the gas tank lasts quite a few yards. It probably fits about a gallon or half a gallon maybe. So without further ado, we're going to show you guys what this lawnmower can do. We're mowing on a 2-inch height setting, and as you can see, it didn't have no problem mowing this grass. The lawnmower is only 21 inches, so the way I mow, well, this is the way everyone should mow. When you do a line and you come back to do the next line, you want to get over here so I can show them. You want to get about 2 or 3 inches on top of the previous line that you had already made, just to make sure you don't leave any little, blades of grass sticking up here and there, like this one right here. So you want to make sure you get the whole lawn evenly. This lawnmower doesn't have a side chute, so it's a mulcher. It mulches everything. It did come with a bag, but preferably I don't like to use the bag. Personally, I don't like to use the bags because it's more work unless the customer asks for it, which is going to be a little extra. It's only 21 inches, but it can fit into just about it could fit in any backyard.